So it's been a while since I've made a video, right? Just been crazy busy, life, work, you know the deal. So what I wanted to do was come on here and just make a quick video and talk to you about timing and what your lawn looks like right now. It's probably not where you want it to be, and that's okay. Mine's not where I want it to be either. With the crazy weather that we've had this year, 80 degrees, 40 degrees. We had 80 degrees, next day it snowed. It's Illinois life. But with the rises and dips in the temperature, you're gonna get the same thing in the soil, right? So if you haven't put down pre-emergent or any fertilizers or anything to this point, that's fine. It's okay, because we still have plenty of time. So there's this expectation in the lawn care community where everybody's expected to have a perfect yard. And I'm here to tell you, it's okay if your lawn's not perfect. There's no expectations. Your lawn is your lawn. Everyone starts somewhere. So don't get discouraged if you walk out and your lawn looks like this. This is my lawn right now. This is my backyard. Look at all this. Dallas grass, goose grass, whatever you want to call it. Clumping fescue everywhere. Holes from my dog. Doesn't look that great, does it? Guess what? That's okay, because it all can be fixed. It's just grass. So if you're driving down the street and you see someone with a nice lawn and you're just not happy with where yours is, that's okay, because you can always get it there. As an example, my front yard has always been where I really take care of everything. The backyard is for the dog and for the kids. Last year, I got lazy and I didn't put down grub killer until it was too late. Well, now I'm fighting that. Because of my mistakes last year, I now have bad spots on my lawn this year. So this is what my front yard looks right now, the end of April 23, from grubs. Over there, looks all right. So a couple weeks ago, we did have our roof replaced, and they had shingles there. They were just walking this all day. So this spot looks pretty rough, right? And that is okay, because I can fix it. It's just grass. I know that might sound crazy coming from someone that calls himself the Lawnfather, that it is okay if your lawn does not look good right now. It's still early in the season. Our temperatures haven't come up to where they need to be to get the grass to really wake up. So this video is all about, it's okay if your lawn does not look great right now. It is not too late. You still have time to stop crabgrass. Look, right here. Everybody gets dandelions. Everyone gets dandelions now. One spot in my yard that has always just looked amazing is right here. So check this out. This spot always looks great. I do the same stuff here that I do there, and then I do here. This always looks awesome, and this is because of the amount of sun that this area gets compared to there and compared to over there. So don't get discouraged if you go online and you see pictures and videos of guys and their lawn just looks beautiful right off the bat. Everyone has different starting points. Everyone has different conditions, different watering, different soil. No one is going to do the same thing on two different lawns and have the same result. It's just not going to happen. So like I said, the moral of this story is don't be discouraged on where your lawn looks right now. If it looks terrible right now, that's good, because now you have a clean slate. You can't mess anything up. If it already looks bad, you know where you're coming from. You know where you want to go. Now you just have a little bit of a slate to clean up. So as always, if you have questions, you have concerns, you don't know what to do, your lawn looks terrible, shoot me a message on Instagram, Lawnfather10, or throw a comment down on this video and we'll figure out what you need. Because it's just grass. Grass is just a plant, right? This doesn't have to be a wildly overcomplicated thing. Plants need certain things to live, and if you give them more of some of those things, they look better. So stick around. We're going to be doing some more filming here soon. But remember, it's okay if your lawn doesn't look great right now.